In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change views on Microsoft Outlook fast and efficiently. Whether you're looking to optimize your Outlook interface for better productivity or simply want to customize it to suit your visual preferences, adjusting the view settings can make a noticeable difference. So, let's jump right in and see how you can quickly modify your Outlook view settings. First things first, you'll want to open Microsoft Outlook and make sure you're on the home page. This will typically be your inbox or the main screen where you access your emails. Once you have it open and ready, let's move on to customizing your view. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar and locate the View tab. This tab is key to accessing various customization options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with different settings and features that can be adjusted to your preference. Now that you've clicked View, go ahead and select View Settings. This option will open up more detailed configurations that will allow you to tailor the layout of your mailbox. If you prefer a distinct text size or spacing that makes reading your emails easier, this is where you'll be able to adjust those elements. Customize the text size and spacing to suit your reading comfort. Another great feature is the ability to highlight different email elements, making them stand out more prominently. Simply click on Highlight in the settings to make specific changes that will enhance your email viewing experience. Next, let's talk about the reading pane. The reading pane is where the body of the email appears when you select a message to view. You have the option to position this pane either on the right, at the bottom, to fill the screen, or to pop out in a separate window. Choosing a layout that fits your workflow is essential for efficient navigation through your emails. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments and you're happy with the changes, be sure to click Save to ensure they are applied. This step is crucial because you don't want to lose your personalized settings after taking the time to configure them. Finally, after saving your changes, you can verify everything by closing the settings dialog using the X button. This will return you to your Outlook home screen with your newly adjusted view. Take a moment to scroll through your emails and check that everything looks just the way you planned. And there you have it. A quick, straightforward guide to changing your views in Microsoft Outlook. With these simple steps, you can create an email interface that feels more intuitive and suits your unique needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to keep an eye out for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity.